Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Will Twitter get banned in India? Now, we saw how Twitter behaved during US presidential elections. Looks like at that time it looked like Twitter was totally biased. Each and every tweet of Donald Trump, the sitting US President Donald Trump, uh, a sentence was added that this claim is disputed. Now you are a company operating out of US and you are blocking sitting US president. You are saying the claim which the thing which he is saying is disputed. So that is totally unacceptable normally. I don't know how it was accepted by Donald Trump, but yes, Twitter cannot dare to do this same thing in any Gulf country, in China, or in any European country, or it may happen in Europe, but it cannot dare to do it in any Gulf country or any Muslim dominated country or India. Now it may try such things in India because government of India recently given a list of few Twitter handles. They were blocked for some time, but again Twitter reinstated them. Then thereafter, government of India has again given them names of Twitter handles more than 1,000. Now the result is not known yet what they will do, but yes, here they talk about freedom of speech and expression. They say that they will not block the accounts of politicians and activists. Activist means leftist ideology people. Here, if you talk about right wing people, they call them communal, dangerous to society. But when it comes to people from leftist ideology, they support it. So, what's going to happen in India? Will same thing be repeated in India like the one which was done in USA? What Modi is thinking? Knight of Pentacles. So Modi is a Gujju businessman. Modi is basically a Gujarati, and Gujaratis are known for their business acumens. So here Modi is thinking of trying to take advantage of Twitter. Now, how he only knows, but yes, this card clearly indicates. Now, banning Twitter, what Amit Shah, Home Minister, thinks. Here, this card indicates that he must be thinking about foreign relations, foreign investments that might get affected. R.S. Prasad, the Information and Broadcasting Minister. Now, here, this card, Queen of Swords, clearly indicates that he is in no mood to compromise. He wants Twitter to either fall in line or minister will take action. That's what this card indicates. Now, what is going to happen? Because the elections, Lok Sabha elections next will be in 2024. Will Twitter get banned? Looking at these cards, looks like Twitter will follow what government is saying or may act like following the government orders. May not fully obey, but yes, they will be made to obey the government orders. That's what here I can see. Because government is certainly going to take some tough actions against Twitter. Government of India from now till 2024 will certainly take some strict action against Twitter, and it will make them fall in line with government of India orders. So I don't see Twitter getting banned, but yes, they will be made to fall in line by this Modi government. So that's it. Thank you.